Hi, I was thinking to buy AVR Programmer, but I think I can make it by myself. And this is what I made. Let us test it. Connect this device via USB cable to computer. Here I use AVR software and hex file of Blink Sketch. I will upload this program to 8MB328p. Red light will turn on during uploading process. The another circuit board is basic microcontroller circuit. As you can see, program is uploaded and works perfectly. So let us start to build it. This is open source project. This is official site. Here I found all necessary information like firmware, software support, circuit diagram, all necessary components and even PCBs also. You will find several PCB layouts like single side PCB, double side PCB with all SMD components with only through hole components, etc. But I want to make with SMD IC and all other through hole components with single layer. So I made schematic according to the website. Then designed my own PCB. I made mistake here. USB type B female socket was not perfectly fitted here, but now I corrected it. First, I take print of design in glossy photo paper. Now transfer toner from photo paper to PCB using iron. It took me around 10 minutes. As you can see, one trace is not okay, so I use permanent marker and done. Now it's time to etching. It took me around 15 minutes. Etching is complete. Then I cleaned it and also tinned it. After this process, I drill all the holes for component using 1mm drill bit. After that, I collect all the necessary components and solder all the through hole component first, then SMD IC. I already placed the firmware in this IC using Arduino Uno. I use AVR software to place the firmware. I did not add Zener diode in design, so I solder it like that. And yes, I also painted backside with clean nail polish. With this, our USB ASP is ready. I can use this to program any AVR microcontrollers. I hope you like this video. We need your support, so share it with your friends and subscribe now.